Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the human ear and its parts. The ear. There are two functions of the ear. First is that it is used to detect sounds by receiving vibrations in the air, and second is that it is responsible for balancing and sensing acceleration. Human ear is divided into three parts, namely outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Outer ear consists of auricle, auditory canal and tympanic membrane or eardrum. Middle ear consists of ossicles and eustachian tube. Inner ear consists of cochlea and semicircular canals. This is a diagram of human ear. The outermost part is the auricle, then comes the ear canal or auditory canal which leads to the eardrum. Middle ear has eustachian tube and ossicles. Ossicles consists of three bones called malleus, incus and stapes. Inner ear has cochlea and semicircular canals. Now, we are going to study briefly each one of them. Let's start with the outer ear. Auricle. The auricle collects sound waves in the air and directs them into the auditory canal. It preferentially selects sounds that are in the range of audible frequency, that is from 20 to 20,000 Hz. Auditory canal. It conducts the sound waves to the tympanic membrane or eardrum. Tympanic membrane. Sound waves reaching the eardrum cause it to vibrate and transmits the vibrations further to the bones of the middle ear. Middle ear. Ossicles. Ossicles consists of three bones called malleus, incus and stapes. Sound vibrations travels from malleus to incus to stapes and then to the cochlea. Middle ear also has a protective mechanism against loud noise. Whenever there is a very loud noise, the two muscles in the middle ear called stapedius and tensor tympani contracts. Stapedius pulls the stapes away from the cochlea and tensor tympani loads the tympanic membrane, hence this reflex decreases the transmission of vibrational energy to the cochlea, and this way noise is decreased. Noise level can be decreased by 20 decibels, and this protection is provided for only about 15 minutes. Eustachian tube. It has three functions. First is that it ventilates the middle ear so that the pressure remains same as the ambient pressure. Second is that it protects the middle ear from secretions of nasopharynx and bacteria. Third is the drainage of secretions of middle ear into the nasopharynx. Cochlea. The cochlea is a hollow, spiral-shaped bone found in the inner ear. It is filled with a watery liquid called endolymph. It also contains a fine membrane covered in hair-like cells which are sensitive to movement in the fluid. Any vibrations they detect cause neural impulses to be transmitted to the brain via the auditory nerve. Look, this is a diagram of cochlea and semicircular canals. Stapes transfer vibrations to the cochlea through the oval window. Semicircular canals are at right angles to each other, as can be seen in the diagram. They are also filled with endolymph and helps us to keep our balance. So, these were some basic points about the human ear. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you find it useful. If you have any issues or suggestions regarding the video, feel free to write in the comments section below. It will be much appreciated.